It's sweet. So sweet.
Everybody, welcome to Diana Creatives, and if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing on the red button down below. Don't forget to like, share, and also comment on anything. And when you subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell, so that anytime I upload a video, you'll be the first one to know it. So today's video is all about a drink. I'm going to show you how to make an orange juice. Instead of eating it plainly, you can make an orange juice at home. So if you want to learn how to do this, continue. So we're going to need 4 oranges for 2 glasses of juice. And this is my chopping board where I'm going to cut my oranges. We will need sugar. This one is a lemon squeezer. You can get it for about 50 shillings. Yeah. Here's my water, it is already boiled. And now I'm going to make a syrup. So a syrup is just mixing water and sugar, then boil it, let it cool. And then after it has cooled, you add your orange juice that you had squeezed. So that's what a syrup is, and we are going to make it. So let's go. So our water is really boiling, and I just have to switch off the heater, then let it cool for a while. Add the oranges, and I'm going to use this lemon squeezer to squeeze. This is the syrup. I'm going to put it in the fridge to make it to cool faster. So I'm cutting this orange to decorate my glass and my jug. Let the syrup to cool for about 20 minutes in the refrigerator. Then you will add your orange juice to the syrup and you'll be done. So let's wait.
20 minutes later.
So we just take our orange juice after the syrup has cooled and mix it together.
Explain. This juice is made out of what?
Sugar. Only that. Is it sweet?
So sweet.
How? Very
So
sweet.
Yeah.
You heard it. It's very sweet. Hope you learned something. See you next time.